Good evening, folks. This is your Tri-County Weather Service forecast for 7 o'clock. I am Tri-County Weather Service meteorologist James Fault. Looking at the headlines now, some heat continues as a heat warning is still in effect. That heat's going to continue right up till Friday and Saturday. Risk of thunderstorms for tomorrow for many parts of the Tri-Counties. And a stormy Sunday is very possible. A cold front looks to pass through on Sunday, bringing some nasty thunderstorms and some much cooler air. Take a look right now at that warning. Heat warning is in effect for Yarmouth, Digby, and Shelburne County. Temperatures of near 30 degrees with higher humidex is expected through Thursday and the weekend. Humidex values in the mid and upper 30s will persist all the way into the weekend, and that heat will break down a little bit on Sunday and Monday before some more heat returns for Wednesday of next week. Do not leave pets and children in the car. Look after the young and the elderly. Drink lots of fluids and limit the time in the sun. Wear lots of sunscreen, hat, and light clothing. And if it feels like you're getting sick from the heat, go to the doctor. Take a look at current conditions right now. 21 degrees in Yarmouth with a few clouds. Feels like 27 out there with humidex. 19 is the dew point. Very uncomfortable out there. Humidity at 89%. Those south-southwest winds, 14 kilometers per hour. Looking at the dew points for tomorrow. Looking at uncomfortable air once again with dew points back in the 18 to 20 range. That frizz factor, frizzy hair once again. I already forecast for tonight. Pretty cloudy skies through midnight, 22 degrees. By 3 a.m. we'll see pretty cloudy skies in 20. By 6 a.m. in the morning, sun and clouds, 18 degrees. That's your low for tomorrow. And 21 degrees by 9 a.m. with a risk of thunderstorms. And that risk of thunderstorms persists into tomorrow afternoon, with temperatures climbing to 28 degrees by 3 o'clock. Cooler along parts of the coast into the low and mid 20s. For tonight, partly cloudy skies, winds would be light, 18 degrees, fog along the coast. For tomorrow, risk of thunderstorms, fog along the coast, 28 degrees, but cooler on the coast, with temperatures in the 20 to 25 range. And tomorrow night, partly clear, winds will be light, 16 degrees. And here's your 7-day forecast, starting with Digby County. Thursday, risk of thunderstorms at 26 degrees. Sunshine with a few clouds on Friday and Saturday with highs of 27. Thunderstorms on Sunday, possibly some strong ones as well. Temperature of 23 degrees. Monday looking at sunshine at 23. Tuesday sunny and hot, 26. And really hot on Wednesday with mostly cloudy skies and fog and 29 degrees. For your Yarmouth forecast, looking at it like this. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, looking at sunshine and clouds. Risk of thunderstorms for tomorrow. Fog along the coast for all 3 days. Cooler on the coast. 28 degrees for Thursday and Friday. 25 on Saturday and Sunday with a risk of thunderstorms. 24 on Monday with sunshine. And sunshine continues for Tuesday and Wednesday with the heat building once again. Temperatures of 26 and 30 degrees. And for Shelburne, it looks like this. Thursday, sunshine. Friday, sunshine. Saturday, sunshine with hot temperatures continuing. 28 Thursday, 29 on Friday, 27 Saturday. Risk of thunderstorms on Sunday with a high of 26. 26 on Monday with sunshine and hot temperatures. 27 and sunshine on Tuesday. And 31 degrees on Wednesday with sunny skies continuing. And that is your Tri-County Weather Service weather break for 7 o'clock. I am Tri-County Weather Service Chief Meteorologist James Follett.